Hi everyone, Catherine from Old Soul Farm. It's like 61 degrees out here, but I like to dress like it's wintertime all the time. We're moving the white broiler chickens from the barn out to the chicken tractor today. So, I guess you're going to come along for the ride with us. Leonard's got 2 at a time, pretty much every single time.
Every single time, not pretty much.
Yes, you're right, every single time.
It's so hot under their wings.
Yeah.
I'll go by that one. Ew! God. That's disgusting. Ow.
Pretty dirty?
Yeah.
It stinks too, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, just keep going because you're going to have more on you, so you might as well just wait. You're gonna pick at them, so just... Sorry. Come on, birds. You're okay.
You guys are all a team. Get those other ones. I see you trying to stick out. Your legs stuck.
This is grass, birdies. Come on.
They have to learn to eat it.
Come on.
Why do they always come cute? You survived. Last one. Watch this one.
All right, get the food and the water in. Nice job.
Stop it. Did you already put the water in it, Charlotte?
I hope not, because that wouldn't make sense to move it.
I did.
Okay.
And my foot is so...
Okay, I feel like it's going to start raining here soon. Come on.
Oh.
Got it there, Muscles?
Yeah.
All right, nice job. Check on you birdies in the morning.
Now we need to put the water in.
Oh, yeah, put the water in. Say bye.